Are you tired of buying digital assets that just sit in a folder on your computer? You buy a PLR pack or course, get excited for a minute, and then never actually launch it because the tech setup is just too hard. Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at a brand new release called RecipeReel Empire, and it is going to fix that exact problem for you. Here is my honest first impression. This is not your typical junk PLR bundle. RecipeReel Empire is a complete, done-for-you business ecosystem in the massive food and recipe niche. If you want to launch a food content agency, build a huge email list, or sell digital recipe books without writing a single word, this is an absolute must-buy. Click the first link in the description to check it out right now and secure my exclusive bonuses. So what exactly is RecipeReel Empire? It is a connected publishing system. Most publishers fail because their tools and content are scattered everywhere. This gives you everything in one place. You get the raw video content, the engagement graphics, the products to sell, and the actual website landing pages to sell them on. Plus, it comes with full private label rights, meaning you can slap your own brand on it and keep 100% of the profits. Let us look at exactly what you get inside the dashboard. It is broken down into 7 core modules. First, the content engine. This gives you over 1,000 raw food and beverage videos and animations perfect for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Second, the engagement engine. You get ready-to-use carousels and banners to keep your social media feeds active. Third, the product engine. This is massive. You get over 150 complete recipe ebooks, totaling over 12,000 pages. You can sell these or use them as high-converting lead magnets. Fourth, Funnel Forge. You get 30 done-for-you HTML landing pages to actually sell your ebooks. No coding required. And the best part is the rebrand engine. You get white label access portal to deliver this entire system to your buyers under your own name. The main front-end offer is just $14 right now, which is completely crazy for what you get. But there are a few optional upgrades you should know about. OTO1 is the Pro upgrade for $27. This massively expands your library with thousands of additional assets. I highly recommend picking this one up for the extra volume. OTO 2 and 3 are Creator Vault and Motion Flix. Priced at $34 and $37, these give you premium visual assets to expand your agency outside of just the food niche. OTO 4 and 5 handle advanced business operations and planning frameworks. Finally, OTO 6 is the Empire OS white label rights for $67. This lets you launch the entire software operating system under your own brand with full ownership. Now, to make this a complete no-brainer, I've put together an exclusive bonus package you will get only if you buy through my link below. I noticed the only thing RecipeReel Empire is missing is automated traffic and list building software. So here are the 10 custom bonuses you are getting for free today. Bonus 1, WP Instagram Auto Poster. Automatically schedule your new recipe videos to Instagram completely hands-free. Bonus 2, Pin Marketer. Automate your Pinterest marketing to drive massive buyer traffic to your new recipe pages. Bonus 3, Gram Suite. Automate your Instagram likes and comments to trick the algorithm and grow a massive following fast. Bonus 4, Video Hub. Build your own premium food video subscription site and charge a monthly access fee. Bonus 5, WP Video Bot. Automatically build hands-free video websites that pull in daily SEO traffic. Bonus 6, Coupon Wheel. Add a spinning discount wheel to your sites to capture more emails and lower cart abandonment. Bonus 7, Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads directly to your email autoresponder. Bonus 8, Power List Pro. Add high-converting entry and exit pop-ups to your recipe blogs to build your list fast. Bonus 9, WP Email Timer Plus. Add real countdown timers inside your promotional emails to double your sales. And bonus 10, WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your heavy video sites instantly so you rank much higher on Google. Bottom line, RecipeReel Empire solves the deployment problem. It gives you the content and the exact tools to launch a real business today. But you need to act fast. The $14 launch price is ending very soon, and my custom 10-part bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 buyers only. Once those 50 spots are gone, my bonus links will be automatically removed from the Warrior Plus checkout page. Don't miss out on this. Click the first link in the description below to secure your copy of RecipeReel Empire and claim all 10 bonuses instantly. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically on your Warrior Plus receipt. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest marketing reviews. See you in the next one.